Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from WordPress VPS using WP-CLI migration and restore step by step clearly. To withdraw from WordPress VPS using WP-CLI migration and restore, follow these steps. First, ensure that your WordPress site is backed up properly. Log into your server using SSH. Navigate to the directory where your WordPress installation is located. Run the command to export your database using WP-CLI. Type wp-db export database_backup.sql. This command creates a SQL file of your database. Next, compress your WordPress files for easier transfer. Use the command tar czf wordpress_backup.tar.gz*. This will package your files into a tar.gz archive. Now, download both the database backup and the compressed files to your local machine. You can use SCP for secure transfer. The command should look like SCP user at your server /path/to/wordpress_backup.tar.gz/. Repeat the process for the database backup. Run SCP user at your server /path/to/database_backup.sql/. Once you have both files, prepare the new server for the WordPress installation. Log into the new VPS via SSH. Install WordPress on your new server if it isn't already set up. Upload the compressed files using your preferred method, like SCP. Extract the files using the command tar_xzf wordpress_backup.tar.gz. After extraction, navigate to the WordPress directory. Import the database using the command wp-db import database_backup.sql. Ensure that your wp-config.php file is updated with the new database details. Check if the database connection credentials are correct. Run the command wp search replace oldurl.com and eworld.com. This updates any links that might still point to the old server. Finally, test your new WordPress site to ensure everything works as expected. Verify that posts, pages, and media are intact. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.